What's up, guys?
It's Bonkers here, and today we're checking out the Mavic Air.
Here we go.
It is my first.
It's his first drone. Congratulations! Give him a round of applause.
All right, so here's the case, and it should have the drone.
Boom.
Here it is, guys.
Oh,
DJI Mavic
What
Air.
color is that?
It's the flame red.
Flame, dude.
And
It
it's
is
so
a flame
compact.
red.
Here,
It's
check it out.
tiny. Oh my god.
It
Next
is
to my
tiny.
phone. Look at that. Oh my god. That's insane. You see that, dude?
And it also matches my iPhone 10R red right there.
Boom.
Side.
Next up, guess what we got? Close your eyes. Feel around. Nah, that's kind of sexual. We got the controller.
Controller itself. And what I like about this controller versus some of the other drones is that it has those removable joysticks that you can just put in right there. Another wire that connects.
Boom. You got the wire that connects. What we popping out next, fools? We got some
Silica gel.
Are these edible?
You want to try one?
Oh god. This guy thought I was gonna do it. Party time!
We're gonna get this drone ready.
And we're gonna take it. For the first, I'm taking all his lines. I'm taking all his lines. You gotta say it.
We're gonna take it for the maiden flight, so let's go.
Who's maiden? Is she single?
So that was it for the first flight of the DJI Mavic Air, and I'm really excited to see what this thing can do, and it's a really good drone for beginners, so I highly recommend it. I'll have it linked down in the description below, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.
Gabe over here sleeping. Get out of here, Gabe.